You guys know that finding a really good pair of earphones in the budget price is a very tough job. But you guys don't have to worry about that because the tech buffet is here for you. So basically in this video we are going to review this Sencer S410 budget earphone, and this earphone cost only 500 rupees, and let's see whether it worth that 500 rupee or not. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a Sencer S410 review. So this is a box guys, looks pretty dope. Opening the box, you have the earphone itself in this very good foam type of thing, and after that you have two ear tips, small and large. I presume that the medium is already installed on the earphone then at paper. By the way, I have an Instagram known as Tech Buffet. If you are interested to be my friend or just want to see the behind the scene of this channel, just go ahead and follow me on there. So first of all, let's talk about the build and design. As you see, this earphone looks really good, especially if you consider the price range. And by the way, the cables are flat type, so tangling issue is not present over here. I'm using it from past 15 days and not even once it is get tangled. Basically the cable are tangle free and the cable qualities are really good, even though it is not braided, but the quality of the cable is really good. And even the angular 3.5mm headphone jack builds really well with gold plating. After that, you have this Sencer inline microphone remote which has a multi-function button, and you can use it to accept and reject the calls, and also it contains a microphone. Moving to the earphones housing, as you see, it's built with metal. This is Sencer branding over here, and left and right indication also present over here. And the build quality of this part is very nice. And the part which sits in your ear is built with the plastic, so you won't feel cold in the winters basically. And the ear tips are very soft too, so it will not going to hurt your ears. Putting them in the ear canal isolate the sounds a lot. So talking about the sound quality, first of all, let me tell you that sound quality is a very subjective thing. With that clear, let me tell you that it's good but not the best. Highs and mids are amazing, no doubt, but the bass is not that good. It has a little bit of bass, but it is not that prominent. You won't feel that humming bass in this earphone. The clarity is good though, but it distorts at the highest volume level, but the clarity and the mids and highs are very good. If you are those type of people who listen lots and lots of podcasts or basically vocal related stuff, then you will definitely love this earphone. And basically the sound quality is very balanced overall, I can say that. Sound separation is a little bit possible in this earphone, but not as some very high-end earphones. So overall it's a very balanced earphone in terms of sound quality. Now in terms of my conclusion guys, it has really good build quality and very balanced sound quality. So for the price range of 500 rupees, I guess it's a yes from my side. You can do buy it. I will leave a link in the description box below. And guys, huge thanks to Sencer to provide this earphone for review purposes. By the way, it's unbiased review. They just provided the earphone. This video is not sponsored by them. And by the way, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more amazing videos like this one, hit that subscribe button, and after that don't forget to hit that bell notification icon so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.